Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. So today I want to talk to you about what I believe is Ego's most underrated battery-powered yard tool. Now, this tool is not underrated because it's not great. It is all of that. But I believe it's underrated because many people don't know how helpful this would be to have and just how good it is. So let me take away the suspense and show you what the tool looks like. It's right here. This is the Ego Cultivator attachment, and it connects to the Ego multi-head system, which means this guy can power a bunch of tools. But today, it's all about the cultivator. So despite what you might think, Kite Army's lawn is not perfect. It's a work in progress. Now, over in this corner right here, you can see I've got some pretty bad dead looking grass. It definitely needs a little TLC, and that's my plan here today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time lapse me using the cultivator on this dead grass so I can pull it out, aerate the grass, and get it ready for seeding. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna use the battery powered Ego Select Cut lawnmower to pull that dead mass off the grass, bag it, and toss it away. So it's good to go. This is kind of a double header. You get to see the cultivator and the mower. So one of the cool features of this cultivator is you can actually remove the outside blades so that you can work a really narrow path. Let me show you how to set it up. First, you remove the outside cotter pin on both sides. Then remove the outside blades, this blade and this blade. Now with your cotter pin, reinsert it in this hole that's closest to the new center blade, and that will allow you to work a really narrow path so you can work between bushes. All right, guys, so we're not done here yet, but I do want to point out I'm going to add a link in the comment section down below for those of you who want to learn more about the Ego multi-head system and all the cool attachments it can power. But don't go there yet, guys. There's still more to come. So as you guys know, green lawns don't come easy. They take a lot of work. Now, I've done everything I can to ensure this seed grows into really thick, nice, lush lawn. You can see the cultivator helped me with this process. It made the job super easy, and you can see why I really love this tool, and I think many of you guys will as well. So while we wait for this grass to grow, why don't we check out some more Kite Army videos right there. Trust me, you're gonna wanna see these. I'll catch you over there.